Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Friday, December 30th, and I'm going to be analyzing the euro again, starting on the monthly, working my way all the way down to the 1 hour time frame for the full top-down analysis. So on the euro again monthly, I still think this is very likely going to make three waves down for wave 4 before it potentially goes back up and makes a wave 5 to complete this very, very nice 5-wave uptrend on the monthly time frame. Heading down to the weekly time frame, we are pushing up pretty strong. I still suspect that this is already the end of a wave B, and if it is the end of a wave B, then it very likely will continue to downtrend like that. But we definitely want to be trading with the trend, with the market flow on sort of time frames. So going down to the daily, the trend is definitely still down. The structure level is right here, but as you can see, it's been making higher highs, higher lows. So we should be looking for longs. But while we're looking for longs, we should be paying very, very close attention to these fib levels for a possible reversal back to the downside. Going down to the 4 hour time frame. On the 4 hour time frame, I'm waiting for a Fibonacci bounce like a double top at a fib level with a break of structure in order to start going short again. Otherwise, I would be doing nothing but looking for longs on shorter time frames. Taking it down to the 1 hour time frame, I'm doing absolutely nothing but looking for longs at the end of 1, 2, 3 way pullbacks. There has been plenty of 1, 2, 3 way pullbacks over the last several weeks for you to enter on. So I definitely wouldn't be going long now because it's definitely extended, and I definitely wouldn't be going short now. I would be patiently waiting for another 3 way pullback to go long again for the continuation of the uptrend, at least until we get that double top at a Fibonacci level like I was showing you on the 4 hour time frame. So don't forget to join my free Discord group. It's linked over here in the corner. And as always, thank you and happy trading.